How you doing? Pat here with Pat's Rides. We're going to install the Bumot Toolbox, so stick around, stay tuned, I'll show you how to do it. Here I thought I'd show you a couple of close-up pictures of how the brackets actually mount to the pannier brackets. We're going to make it easier. We can see how my jobs. I don't know if you can see this scratch here. It came with it, but I don't care. Over time it's going to get scratched up anyway. The reason I chose black and not the aluminum like this is eventually I'd like to get rid of the BMW bags and go with black Bumot bags also. What you're going to need: 8mm socket, 3mm Allen. And that's it. I think it's going to nuts. So now, they should come off. Keep working. There you have it. She's installed. It's too bad they don't tether. This is how it comes off. Just too bad it doesn't have a tether on it. Goes up in there. You got a foam seal. It's supposed to be watertight, but I think I would wrap everything maybe. But I like it. It's not going to go anywhere. Alright, that was the install of the Bumot Toolbox. Comes with 2 keys. So if you like that video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, the bell notification for notifications, obviously. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.